you want to be more woman than her because you go bore your nose and come out like you want to be. She sure, and the woman want a man. You beat her. And Andrew Holness make them fire, so you don't have to come carry belly for Andrew Holness youth. And you beat your wife. And through the people them don't want a woman beat at them radio station, it will carry them credential. Them fire you. So why you carry belly for Andrew Holness? Carry belly for your worthless self who beat up your woman. Big stinking triple X. People, past that now. We're going to a different part. You see me? Alright, more say this to now. The crime rate is done 42%. If you don't feel like a lie, you can go up on the JDF website. Don't make nobody trick you. I'm going to tell you the truth. Just believe me. Don't make nobody trick you. You see me? You don't have on a phone every information there on your fingertips. You see me? The country is not 100%. But imagine, last year them time here, we have almost 800 murder. Now we just have 400 and I think about 30 odd murder. You see me? You check it out, you know, go up on it. But me telling you, if you don't feel like a lie, me I telling you, go and check out on the Jamaica Police Force website. Go up on it and we see all of these things that me I telling you. So we don't come here for telling you no lie. You see me? So the work with the government put in, the government has spent billions of dollars. Plus, we since our government come in, over 1,600 new police officers. We buy how much new police car, we buy how much sitting put in the police force. We have the best theater, the art. We have the big up yourself, Daddy Rusty. We have the best full forensic lab we have in Jamaica are the best in the Caribbean. You see me, I show you? Unemployment rate was 13.8%. It's 3.2% now, and it could be lower because the whole of we know enough of them are like a boy and don't want to work. Suppose enough of the boy them in Jamaica did want to work and have ambition. You don't know tell me the truth now. I want to sit down and look on things like them, you know, and start make people trick on them because you know enough of them look at youth in Jamaica they don't want to work. They more believe say one day they more get a phone, get a client and rich. More than believe say them for go they go work for them honest bread. So tell me the truth, Jamaicans, I want to looking at the truth. Say remember the work never did it, you know? I work did it now till it more than people in the youth them don't want to work. Why not blame the government? And enough of you as parents, you know, get up and tell them boy them to come out go work. If you did want them forget that high paid salary work. Why when them go to school never make them take in education? Or me couldn't take them and send them go and ask go and get a skill because the government give them a stipend for go learn a skill. Since you don't want them to do construction work and not go work for $5,000 and now get $50,000 a week. Since you don't want to pick them for work for minimum wage. When them go to school, I don't know, take out the money and give them, you never push them for them be educated, for them come out, come get one rich man job because all I want to feel like you pick them for rich. So me I show you can't chat about me, man. Me not beg you, know. Don't watch that. Me I know one of them who come on the media and come say nothing now go on. And me a dead for hungry and me a beg. I feel side. So don't watch what I'm doing. Just know say me can't feed me out, pay me bill and me alright. I mean I talk about phone no workless side. A phone no workless side me I talk about. Who I say nothing now go on. Who now go do and work. On $5,000 a day work. And them you know for go chat to. You can ask me about you. Go ask about your friend them and your brother them. Go ask about for your workless side. You hear me telling you? For no independent, no ambitious, workless side of them, I don't go chat about man and my sister Tamara. I'm not talk about me. Because anywhere what them did there. You hear me telling you? That's why I come here and tell Uno say. You hear me telling you say? Where Uno say. You say Uno, and Uno have a problem. Workless people like Uno. If workless people like Uno will come on the media, come cap. Just like Margolin come cap over because Uno can cap for TikTok. You see me? You don't worry about people. You can't worry about people, brother. Don't worry about somebody who work hard and run for work hard for what them have or anything them need. You hear me tell you? You sit down and worry about people. Go and find a work. Make sure say you have a work. Make sure say you live somewhere. Make sure say you have something. Don't worry about somebody who get up and work every day hard for what them have. You hear me tell you? Don't do that. Worry about yourself. That's why that morning to all of my people, man, I beg you now to come over here and keep the life tapping. I think I see my moderator one at a time. Let's get rid of all of them PNP off of here. You see it? Yeah, because them not really need it. They don't really need it. Because watch out. So most of the PNP them come over here and chat. When me check all them profile, nobody don't know them. Not even 300 somebody don't follow them yet. So you don't need it. Come off. Come off, man. Please. I so empty pan. I say me empty pan. Me have fear work. I go left. Because you're dog, you know. So me done empty pan. Me dash away. And then I go look for your pan and lick out it. Because you look sitting free for them. So me I go left look at scrapings in it for you. You know? Like what anchor. You know, we are left sitting. We'll show you what we do with anchor dog. We just throw away the scrapings to anchor dog. So here was. So like how you anchor. Me soon give you sitting for anchor for. You soon get the scrapings. Wait. Hold on. Come, puppy. I wait there. Come, Rex. Rexy. Come, feel one ready, Rex. Come. Because you're anchor and you're dog, you know. You see it, so we have something for you. Come, anchor. Come, puppy. You ready for fear one now, Rex? Rexy. Because you're not top anchor. You don't know, so we have sitting for anchor, dog. Because if you never in a dog, you never over your anchor. So come for it now. Come, me ready for you up. Come, Rexy. Come, puppy. Come, dog. You anchor too much, me. You see, you're not no shame. All my dog run and me have more shame than you. Okay? Yo, if me this my dog saying run gone already. You didn't have to be a sorrow orange. You couldn't be one good labor, right? Voila. All right. Yes, Kerry. Please, Kerry. Jesus Christ. Big up yourself here, Kerry. A long time I look for you. The Jamaica people, please. As me I telling you, you don't need to make people chicken. Because it's the amount of hurt there, brother, now. All right. You don't know what I'm there, so. I don't want to do nothing. I don't want to do no morning work, you know. Because my work and night time make tick for one day, you know. You see me? Because we have feared too much because some whole heap of expansion are going over my place. You see me? So if me did want right now, my boss around one work. My general when me and him there, so every day. At 6,000 a day. And the man them work 6 days now, 6 days, and then gone this morning gonna make 7 days. So if me didn't want, I could have over there work 6,000 a day. And I scramble to find some little youth. I beg me, I have to beg 2 of my little charge them. So I get up and go work. You hear me telling them, then gone with the man. And 6 grand, them every day them work. So when you come and tell me, say, me and my little cousin have work up a Coalbeck every morning in Tapia, so I labor have to pay them 5,000 a day and can't find them. So when I tell me, say, nothing there for them. And me can work 2 jobs, one a night, what a day. On a work list. And before you sit down and run and look at work list people in front side down there, enough for you, I'm telling you, it's enough for your parents not to blame. Enough for you cross my head. Enough for you cross my head, girl. Like me, so look at girl talk about a good man there. You don't want a good man, you know hard working man. No, I don't want a hard working man till you no breed. I don't know father for you pitney them at that time, no hard working man for help you no mind them. Believe me to God. You if you come out and go look something for the brother car work the phone. Too much work in the country. Better say when time the government. Better say when it reach to one part I think. You me tell you, when it reach to one part of the country now where the poor country develop. And the third term in the country I got develop to one way, you know, where work, the amount of work now the amount of work we got in Jamaica. All of them look at work list sitting here now when I want working on. You know what going to happen? The government have to go importing people for to start work. I don't feel like I joke me, make. And at that time, I have a cuss. Who the government are bringing people for? It's a free zone up and back. It's the free zone up to the way up there big. Them can't find half the amount of people. You me tell you, in a Jamaica, the up there, the amount of people up there so on. And how much I want to get up and go work? I don't lie me and tell. You have one big hotel a bill and more beer. How much schema bill in a Jamaica, how much I want to go learn a trade, how much I want to get up and go work. So imagine, the little set of people who say them now want to work. Like Michael Phillips, I tell the youth them don't go work 9 to 5. You hear me tell you? So if the youth them not go get up and work 9 to 5, what you want the youth them to go do? Because be criminal and make police run them down and alive them. You have to help them mama bury them. You have to help them mother pay a lawyer fee when they are in prison. The youth them to get up and work or work, leave their phone. You say, alright, you know, say that's that. What me tell you how me used to stay. So when time, see at first, I always say, the country youth them, the youth them in the rural area, them I always afraid for. Believe me to God, because I know say, work kind of easy to get for we who really want to work, who live in the whole of a backup in them region there. Because scheme always make for you have skill, work always go on, brother. You see me? And whole heap of factory and them they sit in the bone. And you can't get her. You see me? You have boilers, you have hyper. I mean, you want to work a boilers, I work a boilers 100 times. If I want to cover hyper, I work over the 100 times. Believe me to God. You see me? Some of us are sure on things say, whole heap of work I go there. And when the whole heap of work there here, the youth them now move on to it. So who me used to worry about are the people, the youth them in the rural area, like St. Thomas, Trelawney and them people there. You see me? Because most of the youth them, I'm not saying for the youth them, no want to take up the farming in a brick, but members the PNP never bring the when we go to some place and I see the dog them a farm and my sister them not have irrigation water. Me used to say, Jesus, I don't have. Me always ask my friend them, I don't have 2 water. I don't have no water at all. You see when we got some far country place. No, I used to tell you, say, me have 2 water and me have canal and me have pipe water. You see me? So now this a government a come in now and they bring water go to some place at St. Elizabeth. Look down a Panachos. Down a Clarendon, they say, you know the amount of years that the irrigation water project in the pipeline and Andrew Holness come cut the pipeline. Look down a Manchester. And go back to Senti and then place there. Andrew Holness come now and spend billions of dollars and this is not a promise. Anybody from down there so can tell you now because them drive past the big tank them and the big sitting them a go up. Anybody can tell you now and I promise me not talk about election promise me I talk about thing we are going now. Andrew Holness a build one of the biggest, one of the largest water project ever in the rural hemisphere in Jamaica going under this government here. Right now. You see me I show no, and that's this one I say Andrew Holness do things like them. They might bring one urban center, go center must give people them good road down there. They might build one urban center down a Portland for people them down there. That mean they say yes, the youth them in a rural area now them can start feel look better. You hear me tell you no? The youth them from down a center, from down a Mr. Fried Green place. The youth them from Portland, the youth them can start feel look better because guess why? Them say youthful development are coming up for them era where youths can get employed out of whenever I go to Jamaica for years, brother. We are idiot. The young youth are a fool. Eh? You not move like you're a fool. All these years. Which students you talk about? Tell me. Type it. I can't understand what you talk about. Why him never help with students. And Andrew Holness government the most get a youth go to college. Fool. And Andrew Holness government the most get a youth in a Jamaica. The most small man. This is said small man them. Small man pitney them. You idiot. Don't come up with that. I would have never talk to you about that. Listen. I'm gonna have a break my thing, but I tell you something. You are very misinformed. And you are one of those PNP who goes around, who go around and misinform people. You need to go and get some information about the youths in Ukraine and the money that Mark Golding said that he donated. Go and find out what Mark Golding said. Mark Golding asked back for money and the government reimbursed back him in money. You blinking idiot. You're one of them who misinform. You don't need to go and inform on yourself. And next to you, why Andrew Holness? Why Portia Simpson them did close down Omot School about 16 or 17 or Omot School in a fair time? Why? Tell me why not idiot? Eh? Why Portia locked down more school in Jamaica? Why she did close down so much school? Eh? You talk about Andrew Holness. It don't make no sense. It don't make no sense, brother, because Jamaica don't want more school. I don't think the school them want more black. Improvement in our school them. And that this a government come do. That's why you can see we can get these pass marks that we get in a PEP. And the result them in a CXC. Because our government bring more technology in our school go give youth them on a bubble. You know say that the school one. Eh? You not talk about more school. It's more school. Jamaica don't want more school. The school them just like what Andrew Holness do. Build more black on the school and put in more technology. And try to give teacher them better pay. That. You know, fool. Why make if since more school did needed, why Portia them lock down so much school when they come in? Why make PNP lock down so much school in Jamaica, you idiot? We can never check your history. Eh? You come me telling us say sense of this part of the PNP a spell check, you know. 2 spell check there, you know. So here. Thank God for it. Thank God for it. Because all you can't talk about school. Let me Portia did. Why make them lock down so much school, Bobo? Tell me the truth. Eh? Andrew only said that down one school for them coming to government. Eh? Oh, me say, uno sit down for on the brain. On the brain there now on the foot bottom. Uno walk on it. Uno no remember nothing at all. And that's why you can run back a Dr. Drass. Who come out and tell us in a PNP time. In a PNP time, the health sector was the worst. The health sector was the worst. He must have the surgery in a scandal bag. A garbage bag. Dr. Drass. Oh no. And that's why, remember, say that's why them in Pies name, you know. I drink come out, contact the truth, you know. Oh, the health sector was crumbling. Where PNP do feed. I'm want to go check on the history. Under this government, the most money ever spent per health sector for the past 30 years. In a this government, the most money ever spent in education. They said education money I chat about. In the past 30 years, under this government, I want to go check on the facts and come back. You don't see no sense. You don't see no sense. We hear this idiot that tell me about tell them school PNP lockdown. Yeah, boo boo. You see, I tell you, say, you don't have no sense. You just live at Jamaica. But you don't know no factual information but time come. But no bed no the hospital. You say, idiot boy. Me I tell you something. Idiot boy, me tell you this. Me a family are foreign. Listen, me I go post up one news. Next time I come up, when you come for my life, I put up one newspaper and show you what going on in England. I rat up on the bed with the people. Boy, this is una chat. A third world, it's first world country. No bed not there. I'm telling you this. You see, until you have one registration or you have sitting where the government then can go so boom and test and know how much people are going sick for the day in a Jamaica. At that time alone, you're going to know how much bed. 6 sell in a shop, boy. Idiot boy. You can go in a shop go buy 1 pound of sick. You know when you go sick? Or government then can have how much bed for people. Government then know how much people are sick for the day. 6 sell in a shop. When you go buy, you go in a shop and say, sell me 1 pound of sick, and it is documented that they know how much people are sick. Big fool. You see an idiot. The biggest set of idiot in the world, myself 6 sell a shop. How much I own one time when you go sick, when you go a shop and say, sell me 1 pound of sick. And it documented. Oh, for the day we expected that 10,000 sick people are going to come in at the hospital. Fool people. You know, so no sense. The amount of bed space can be in the hospital. You never go to the hospital for the 1 day. You never see the amount of people, injured people, sick people come in for a minute. For a minute. For a minute in the hospital, boy. You never go to the hospital for 1 day. 3,000 attack, but no bed in the hospital. Almost 2 months, I did not them be with my stepson. And JJ never shot a bed. And when we can't sheet, go down at that. When we can't sheet, go down at that, them cuss we. Because he was so well taken care of and in the hospital so clean. 2 months, I did there with my little stepson. Fool boy. I be a room and walk and spend. You never go down there. Never go in the hospital. How long? 2 months, I did there with the little boy for. And every day we have to go down there. Even when we cook food and can't go get the little boy, them cuss because breakfast prepared for them. I come in the bucket and wipe it up and clean up in the hospital. You know? You see, it's not for our Father God, me I tell you, so them liar people, your Father God, we are chat. Don't make them sick, you know. Because when they're sick of them, I don't want a bed for them for Father God. You know, and them, I don't want no doctor them for help, Father God. Them wicked people we are trying to bring down Jamaica. Them wicked people we know say in a PNP time, there wasn't no hospital. Brother, in a PNP time, I worst of the worst is a hospital, boy. Boy, in a PNP time, if you're sick and you know money, you can't go to hospital, boy. You talk about bed. You talk about bed. In a PNP time, I look at medicine, them, free medicine, them, where all people them get now, they could get none. If they not money, forget it, then dead. I'm tell you, idiot boy. You don't come and chat to me at 39-year-old boy. When your daughter or your son born, that's why enough our father and the power with birth paper, because they have to pay money to put their name on the birth paper, your shit house. Where you come from? You can't come up in my box, boy. You have to be labor, right? You say you Jamaica mix up. I see you have one page. Go live and go chat for your live. Get off over here. You know, come over here, come talk. Not PNP narratives. This is a JLP Labour Right Life. Please don't send no request. Because you will never ever get the chance to come up in my platform. So I don't have to send nothing more than that to Uno. You see me? So no matter make sense to send a request, because Uno don't have no time. Uno have to waste Uno fingertip. Let me tell you, this is a labor right platform. This is not a propaganda spreading machine. I'm a moderator them. They want see so much people come over here type PNP and then I come off, brother. Judge, hold on. Let me see who over here now left. Yeah, I'm file one moderator who now left. Cause I come like a whole moderator them they all about the place now. Come on, oh, so much of them a fly down and them now come off. Eh? My moderator them they all about the place, man. You idiot, man. My moderator them a fret. Fret for what? Eh? Favor right can't fret. Eh? Yeah, shit house, you know. Not even a look for you, because when you contact about that, can't see me. When you feel like if you come over here and type in a chat, can't tap PNP for and lose. When you feel like if you come over here and type in a chat, can't tap some PG for and get a beating in life. Eh? That can't help you, no. Let me tell you what you need. You need some mole. And you see mole them you need. A mole them want to build people. You need some mole to make more PNP. Because you don't have PNP in Jamaica. You don't see it. You don't see it, shit house. Yo, you come like you don't shame. You should shame, you know. For nomination day till now, the whole of you should just exist and stop chat. You just curl up in a little corner and wait for the opposition again. But you don't have shame. You still run up and down about the place. Eh? You still run up and down about the place. From nomination day, you should just roll up in a little tissue and be the dude or the shit you want to be and just flush yourself. Because guess why? You see it, so you're not going to be opposition again. You feel like, so what I'm doing now? Eh? What I'm doing now? From nomination day till now, you should have just roll up and just go hide and start ball from now. Because guess why? You don't see it, say, yo, we're going to stay in opposition for the rest of our life. All the little pitney them are going to keep in opposition. You don't see it? You don't see, say, look at pitney them ready. If pitney could have voted, you know, I don't know if I want to have a choice to look at pitney what I know, you know. If pitney could have voted, not for you would have to sell on a local boy, on a local daughter, on a local son, them, because they not here to know, because they not like Mark Golden and Andrew Holness, them now want to vote for. You look at pitney them and I say, Andrew, all the baby them I say, Andrew. You don't see it? Eh? So, watch you know, the next generation, and the next generation, and the next generation, and you know about in the opposition for the rest of your life. Because the pitney them say, Andrew. All the that little baby them when I grew up, as then turn 18, them come vote for Labour, right? You don't see it? If I mean like, you know, I just stop walk up and bad up myself and threaten people and chat foolishness. You hear me tell you? And just watch ya. Just thankful for people like we who they here for vote for good policies, for vote for poor people and get the indigent house, social houses, for vote for people like down in Westmoreland. Down in Westmoreland, down in which PJ come from, PJ place. For people that can get water where they never get in their life. For people that get road where they never get in their life. Eh? Good carpet for road. For down Mrs. Vaz. Down Mrs. Vaz constituency where Mrs. Vaz got chance go completely rearrange and fix up down there. So I want to come from. Eh? You go talk to Angela Brown Teeth and talk to Mark Golden. Go talk to Hilton, go talk to them, talk to worthless MP them. And them my problem in Jamaica, worthless MP them. Mark Golden, one leader, Swampy G. Swampy G, one of the worst MP in Jamaica. Angela Brown Teeth, it's proven. Oh man, you're worthless. If I saw, you keep the people them around there. So look how you keep the people them and leave you out. Eh? Every year you talk about. Time come, yes. Time come for you go help the people man back to Angela Brown Teeth, man. Come on, man. Time come for you change the people and living conditions. Time come for Mark Golden go help the people and run a jungle. Look how long the staircase drop off around here. You fix it? The staircase go up back yet? The staircase around the Mark Golden constituency go up back yet? Tell me Mark Golden the phone around there. Tell me Angela Brown Teeth. The people from Angela Brown Teeth community. Come on TikTok and I show you Angela Brown Teeth community come like pigsty. Not even yet in a answer. People come on TikTok and show you Mark Golden constituency and it dirty and cranny and you host them over the chaka and a tear down. And the people them I use. Tile it back. When them scandal back for them tile it, for fling over there, fling over. So how comes you not come on a chat? But time come for what? Time come for keep the people them shitting in a scandal bag? Eh? Time come for make the people them down back to a woman car we go show we they just take off them clothes and hang over one part and drop shit. And then they say no that's the time come for. Eh? You can't tell me nothing, you know, because guess why? I know miss. I know miss say it, and I know lie me I tell. I people them live in our constituency come on TikTok and show the way on a workless leader, on a workless MP them, of the people them down and living at the worst conditions in a Jamaica. Why me couldn't cuss we? I don't cuss them. Because them not do nothing for people them and them want to cuss and tell them say them worthless. Alright. Watch it now. Alright, me I show on the sit now. Me I see it. Alright. Me show on one somebody report my life. It show up on my life. So me can't see who report my life. One when he am Dan. How you want name? Me see it. It show up on my life say you reported my life. You see me I show now? It come up. Me can't call any name. You see you want bad man shit house. You don't know? I was so much bad. Yo, I saw them people are bad man, brother. I can't believe me see them sitting here from a barn. Yo, I got to come over here for. They say, oh no, I want to set talk over there work at them in the community. God, I go strike on with lightning. Yeah. All I want to come over here. And I report my page. I want to work all I over there in the community. I call out on the name. I go call out on the name for the live, make people know who know. Anybody who know the community, they call out on the name because it will show me so on the report my life. I call out to the name. I tell the people them to be real on a wicked bad man over there worker. Because you must be wicked over there worker. I want to try to work everybody in the community. You see your boy Dan? And that one our name. No, I need right name. Now workless shit house. Alright, start it up now because I'm moderator there. No workless man. I know people all my labor right there. I set up on nothing. Set up on whole block. I want to feel like tell people say sucking their mother is a bad thing. Sucking their mother is a good thing. Big up to the people. I want to say this again. Choose Jamaica. Yeah, me tell you, all of we, all of we with them a bad mind. Remember, we know where I come from. Remember, say, no, I'm sure. Remember, so we grew up in a one time where, not for we, who see good houses and see all in the family them own certain things. And then just fact, we not talk about. Not for we never know say in our life we could have grew up and come have certain little things. And we family them could have own certain little things. Certain people wanna say have one good house, one couple little car. And remember say a couple years ago in growing up in a man, remember say enough people who say achieve things now and not even not for we not even know say we could have one good bed. Let's fear. I want to know, brother. Jamaica change, brother. Jamaica they in a different state. You see me? And we the people, we have to keep it up. Because we know where I come from. I don't want to make sense, I know where I come from. Not for them PNP will come and accost me. I say in a PNP time, their house I play a lean back and rock away. Not for them, so their house used to stay. And a labor right time, not for them living in one good house. Own one good car. Better up them life. Me. I grew up in a time when if you don't have money, if you don't have your 50 cents, or your $1.50 or your $2 for buy a new Chibola, you're dead for hungry at school. You don't get no free lunch. We don't grow up in a time like this when people have part and free lunch. You'd have to buy a new Chibola. If you don't have money, if you got a talk shop, you never name a talk shop food. Under PNP government, we grew up, me a 39-year-old, you can't tell me nothing, We grew up in a one time where you had 2 bus. Beverly's and Crystal Ways. And then 2 country bus they miss you. And as youth, you have to go to school pack up with the whole like town people, the whole like, because that the bus they carry whole like market people and everybody. And you as a little school boy, you have to itch up in a it. Because of them, the bus they have them pass, it ain't a problem. We go to school in at the time. We go to school in a one time where if your parents not have money, CX you not fear. CMC and I'm fear. If your parents don't have money, you have to think about CFC. Matter of fact, if your parents don't have money to pay a school fee, you don't know what grade level look like. Because you have to drop out of school for grade 8, grade 7, grade 9. Now for the youth them, at all age, the education stop, right at all age. Them, because them parents couldn't send them no far, because them parents couldn't afford the school fee. I want to did it. Only they did it. You see all you say one PNP, you were there. Only they did it. I remember me tell her that. Yeah, me tell her no. Only they did it. And then like you never did it. You did it, you sit down, you sit down and jump up and I say PNP this and time come. You see the hardness on no matter face under PNP time for struggle for sending you to school. You see it and they did it. But guess what? Better time did they for phone picking now. Better time did they for phone picking now. You see say phone picking them live under better conditions and better everything for them more than in a few time. In a few time we don't get nothing. You see what we get? Ain't more than in a PNP time, PNP create the most dunce in Jamaica. Because you go a grade 1, grade 2, grade 3, grade 4, grade 5, grade 6. If you don't pass common entrance or GSAT. If you don't pass common entrance or GSAT or your family, they don't find one all-age school to put in. You can turn criminal and gunman. You me tell you? You can turn criminal and gunman on the road. The little girl picking them walk up picking like dirt. I got a go-go club, gone in a bar. In our time, the youth them in them 30s, 40s, early 40s. Remember me telling you that. You me telling you? Stop chatting man about PNP creative Jamal. I hear that what Jamal do for people. The best thing ever created in Jamaica different from high school and primary school and archers. You me telling you? That are the best thing ever created in Jamaica, archers. You can talk about Jamal, you hear that. What they used to teach you now, Jamal? My uncle tell me so when I used to go up there, A, B, C, A, wiggle, diggle, the cat and the figure, the cow jump over the moon, the little half the apple see such. And that's why, PNP believe in a fairy tale, because that's the level of Jamal. So cow jump over the moon, dog laugh, dish run away with the spoon, and that's the learn of Jamal. You me tell you, that's why all I want is a fool. Until now, until this day, that's why Ice Pratt Buchanan can come out and say him can put out the manifesto to the PNP people because they can't read it because they are not that intellect. Because I be a cow jump over the moon and go learn a Jamal and dish run away with the spoon. Edward Siaga come in and said there is no way you can have your country's workforce. And the country's workforce are cane cutters. Cane cutters. Remember Jamaica cane cut workforce was mostly cane cutters. And Edward Siaga come in and bring in Jama and bring in archers. And so the youth them have to have skill. And this a Jamaica start bill. Fool. On a bubble. On know say most of our grandfather them and great grandfather them what kind of skill they have to go chop cane a bush boy. Because that was the skill that PNP give people. Yeah, PNP skill was go chop cane. If you never know, go check on the history. PNP skill was cane cutter. Mr. Siaga said that can't happen in my country. You can't be a cane cutter. The youth them, the people need skill, archers, and then people start take time and build up on. I want them to own a youth. Somebody can come tell me about Jamal. Jamal, where them did they tell you them about wiggle and cat and figure and cow jump over the moon. How much I know where Jamal have sense? How much I know where we are talking about Jamal? How much I know from Jamal they still know have sense? Most I know who got Jamal and no sense. You hear me telling you? So when I stop calling I prefer 10,000 more archers this farm. More than one Jamal. Because I don't know how Jamal don't do nothing for no. But the archers, this is the archers where Mr. Siaga brought. You know, see for implementation of foolishness because Jamal don't do nothing for people. But the archers, how much youth, how much families, how much youth over the years, archers get trade. Archers make them certify and go on a foreign and make money for them family. How much youth in Jamaica archers build them up? You see when I hear that? When I get about Jamal, what do Jamal do for Jamaica? Talk about archers, man. Talk about things that build the nation. Don't talk about sitting where when they not do nothing for Jamaica. Because Uncle Fool don't say PNP can talk about Jamal. Like Jamal has said. I see this boy here. I'm sure no how I know say them are idiot. I be mad people got Jamal. Because I see this boy here, what's the name? Idol Boss. When they ask him which school he go, he say he used to got Jamal. You know a mad boy was say my artist on TikTok near Idol Boss. And the Idol Boss say, man, which school he used to go? Jamal. Idol Boss don't know Idol Boss. If you see him and you say what that, you don't know say Idol Boss. And you say a Jamal he used to go. You me telling you? He say a Jamal him used to go. So when you come and tell me about Jamal, PNP Jamal not do nothing for PNP them kind of make them know wiser, make them duncer than them be. Then that's only thing Jamal do. I teach PNP to believe in a fairy tale tier. Teach PNP say Cow can jump over the moon and the little dog laugh. And that Jamal teach PNP. I think if Jamal did do something good for PNP, so much I Michael Manley PNP them. Satan can't look on the guy there, that's how the guy here, they look up in the house, that was straight out the door, look. Him can't say him. That's the man saying, no? Satan can't say the guy PNP there, the Michael Manley style had PNP them and he look up in the house, so. He must see straight situation. They wanna get a skill, man, and live good life, man. Stop chat about Jamal, man. Edward Siaga and Andrew Holness are the greatest prime ministers ever touched this ground of Jamaica style. But guess what? You try to tear them down. You say Joshua Michael Manley, Joshua him a Jesus Christ and my Lord and him a King and him a Christ. But I said Joshua wanna say him a Jesus Christ and him a Lord. I him did bring down Jamaica to people couldn't get food. If people want 1 pound of flour, they have to go buy pad. If people want 1 pound of sugar, they have to buy 1 toothpaste. But you remember that time there? The same Joshua want to see a Jesus Christ and our best prime minister ever. He make Jamaica people couldn't find nothing for them. You hear me telling you? So when you come and come chat this and chat that, and what thing you do? The best prime minister them. You try to play with the fool them mind and play with the local dunce idiot them in Jamaica and tell them lie about them. Just like how you do with Edward Siaga. Just like how you do with Edward Siaga. Joshua want to say the greatest Joshua, Jesus Christ Manley. Them man they run Jamaica out of food. Them man they broke Jamaica. You hear me telling you? Joshua Jesus Christ Manley get Jamaica's net reserve at $257 million. And by 6 months time, Joshua the Jesus Christ Manley tear it down to $600 million. And by 2 year time, Jamaica broke. Food, everything in Jamaica married. You know, go check on the history. You hear me telling you? I want to say, am I greatest? All man can be greatest running country out of food. Eh? I am for run, tell me the truth. Run your country out of food. Marry the food them. In a to pad, to tissue. Am I greatest? Am I wickedest? No blinking idiot. But I am if I agree. But just a Jesus Christ I agree. I'm not a fool. The best prime minister is gonna tear them down. On tear down Mr. Siaga and say my white man. And now on the plan up with a real white man. This a white man is worse than Siaga. He was all man little. Because same 4 parents did a slave owners. You see me? And now on come on a tear down. On use white man slogan and mash up Mr. Siaga, who was a good man and a good prime minister. You see me, I tell you, and now you come try use, you come up and so you know, you group up with a real white man. A real, this one here, worse than everybody else, worse than Joshua Jesus, and him worse than Eddie. Because him is from the slave them, the slave owners themselves. Him is from them bloodline. He said people them who thief all of who sit them and carry go England. Rob out Jamaica. Do 4 parents all type of sitting. Him only come and say him a Joshua Jesus Christ. But watch out. You see the white man who him 4 parents and a from slavery. That white man who give up everything for Jamaica from him at 20 years old. Want to tear him down. But one right now, want to know where he be. Want to know if he's a Jamaican. Want to know if he's a English. Want to know if he's a white. Him want to say, I greatest. But want to try tear down. One black man who is from the soil, who is from the slave ancestors like, oh no, where Mark Golding come from? What I want to PNP, me I go now and home here, take out on the phone call, I love type. When you go look for Benjamin Nunes. Google who is Benjamin Nunes, and then you can chat to Labour right. Mark Golding wasn't qualified for stand up in a national stadium. Independent day. Go where him should have got this to go stand up unless him apologize to Jamaica people them for what him wicked 4 parents did to our 4 parents. But him could have got to go talk about our ancestors. So now wicked people to no one. On no wicked too. Morning, Christopher.
Brother. But not even that, brother. When him go up there, him not in salute the flag, no, that for sure say him not no respect for Jamaica and Jamaican flag, and me keep on tell them. From you ever see Mark Golden with a Jamaica, Mark Golden not put on Jamaica color, and that's not. You ever see Mark Golden, anyone a Mark Golden shirt them ever mark Jamaica? You ever see Mark Golden with a shirt put it mark Jamaica? You Sonny? So when these people come up
like
and
the green part in the flag, brother. You know, see, him not like the full color of the flag.
You know, like nothing about Jamaica, brother. So I know these people are come tell we say, if a man a buy for the ice office in the land and not in the flag, you no respect. When the flag are raised, you hold on your head. When last month when in the flag are raised, you have on your black dirty cap. I think that you not take off and salute the flag. So you not supposed to come to be a leader, and these people that we tell say no. The same people call themselves PNP, them are not Jamaican, you know. Then they on a campaign for destroy Jamaica. This man where them call him not like Jamaica, him not like black people, brother. No, so the man, you ever see the man live for one of the why in supporter pick them yet? You ever see my embrace any supporters them yet? This man,
Sonny,
they on a campaign for destroy Jamaica. Morning, brother.
Morning, brother.
Yeah.
Morning.
So let me just
Morning, super.
all right. So I just want to say one thing. Yeah, it on a point this morning where really have me going on a panic attack. You hit on the point where like when we used to go to school, if you not catch the education, you just not catch it. You understand? Because they keep ram you through the classes them, and most of we who born in at them time they come out dunce. You understand? Thank God for my mother. My mother have to send me back when time a big, cause you know you're going through the classes them, and you really not learn nothing. You understand? Then my mother have to realize and take me out and send me to Archers. And I suppose
one thing stick up in. You know what I say that one thing. I'm glad how people who in my age group can really relate to this. Alright, remember you know, Andrew Holness, that's why I remember the first portfolio Andrew Holness taking, one of the first portfolio for going to education with him done Prime Minister the first time. And him change that. Him change that.
As you realize how me attack, me really have a panic attack about it. Because me remember.
Yeah, brother, because him change it. Because remember, say a common entrance menu, and I remember we go for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You see me, you go look common entrance. If you can pass the common entrance, it's either you're going you go all age, or you go learn trade, or you turn gunman or work in the PNP time. But alright, Andrew only take over now and him change it. Andrew always make the little youth them come out
and
right.
You say most of we who never turn gunman and police lock up, because we have a strong parents for wall and power and say, okay then, you never catch the education, this so we are gonna shift you, put you over here, so.
Yeah, man, you have to learn a skill, brother. You see me? But me I tell you, say, what the good, what me I try to show them, say, this government, that's why we are get the result them in a pep, brother, because remember Andrew Holness changed that, Andrew Holness come in and start the thing where if you cannot pass the grade 4 literacy test, you can't go grade 5.
Yes, you can't, alright. And before, don't remember, in our time, then just push it through the class, them.
Yeah,
so
man, that's run grade 6, man, and go do exam, and it's either you pass it or what's
it's either you pass or you not pass.
True.
And some of the time when you go into the exam class, because through you know grasp what everything we did that teach, remember say what name there some of the time you just have to just circle something them and just guess and spell the answers them because you don't really know the true answers them. You understand? So me not understand how them people, the PNP people them just come and them chat the foolishness. Me not understand if them not grow up the same way or me and you, because remember you grow over so me grow over, yes, and me can relate to everything what you talk about.
I say the whole of we within an age group, you know. I tell what they are use to look at youth. I say, brother, say, uno want look at youth now. Uno live in a paradise time. Uno no want go back. Uno couldn't make it in our time growing up. And when me I tell him when me I go high school and how it go and how it hard and tell him, say, brother, say me in a baller. I don't know how me would have make it because I never have no parents. A football. And every day I give God thanks that I could have played like a football. Brother, you know amount of my friend them. I didn't want to top guy high school on that time because my friend didn't drop out. Because man can't pay school fee. Me used to say them they have one day in the art where them keep general devotion. You see me? And them come in a general devotion, we do a big paper and call out the whole like pitting their name old school fee, brother.
All right.
Them ever do that in a general devotion, brother, in our time. And no, me know say a whole heap of youth can attest to it to them, them 30 and go up in them 40s, brother, who feel it and see it happen to them friend them and say a whole heap of them friend them drop out of high school because them parents could have never paid the school fee, brother. Andrew, Bruce Golding come in, and when Bruce Golding come in, the man said this for stop happen. And they said PNP them fight Bruce Golding and tell them say there is no way.
So me not understand
can't make school free.
So me not understand how the PNP them come out and me live that life that where you're going through school, you go 1 grade and them just ram you through the classes and you not learn nothing, you know. You understand? And furthermore, Andrew even come say, okay then, teachers, the class size has to be reduced. Me remember the class when me did a 65 away in the class. How one teacher for teach 65 pitney? You understand? A 65 away in the class and Andrew come now and reduce it and put in 2 teachers in a 1 class. You have a teacher, you have a teacher's helper in a 1 class.
All right, you know what I say? That's why I love how people in the chat can relate. And if you just look on the chat, you see them 2 things there where the man what we are talking about and somebody put it up. You see free health and free education. And if you notice, each time when PNP come back in the government, I told them then say them go off about.
All right.
Let me tell you something.
This morning you attack, me really I have a panic attack about this because I remember when I used to come from. You see this man you talk about it, me just the Africa man. So what me gonna do? Me just I go mute because me remember all of the things that when me used to go through and me can't say people who born in at them time that we can't realize say we are taught the truth. You understand? So me just I go just mute for now and get myself together. Go and talk.
Yeah man, respect morning super.
Good morning, Sonny.
Respect and love, man.
Love the vibration where I bring out. You get what I say, my brother. But you want now, you see when you open your life, you see the distractors them, you can't make them dry out. Because you want me now. Father God did the pan hurt to do greatness, you see? And don't them crucify him still. You get what I say? So Andrew coming like the Messiah now, we are trying to bring Jamaica out of a crisis where the PNP them put it in, but them don't want it to happen. Them, because you see, it got to open the people them eyes and them don't like that. You get what I say? Because they want to keep the people them poorer so that they can get to be a billionaire out of this. That's why them say them love the poor. You understand? But all me have to say, we see the nomination and see how it go and see how the people them step out. I see them when I want them to step out on election day. The 3rd of September. I'm going to put the X beside the bill. And for a better future for Jamaica and whosoever have them grandchildren and then great-grandchildren and know so well then boy Jamaica. And I like in the 70s when Michael Manley blindfold the people them. Because me you talk the guy there where I tell you about Jamal. I change Michael Manley change illiteracy class to Jamal, you know. So Labour right did already have a class for people who couldn't read and write. Michael Manley is like a con artist, my brethren. You get what I say? So don't make the distractors them get it down, my brethren. You do your good work and we're there and we are listen. You understand? And we are hold the fort because we are 60s born, so we know where really did go on from them time there. And it's just like little youth them now where coming to really understand certain things. Because them youth, as you say, no, them youth are born in a paradise, you know. Because as them youth leave school, them parents buy vehicle give them. When we are go to school, we never get them opportunity. Have very few children